Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening accounts. Google.com in a fresh browser session. This reduces pop-up friction and cache settings. Next, choose Create Account and pick for myself, then enter name and desired email address. When asked for a phone number, click Try Another Way or Skip if visible. Google sometimes offers the alternate recovery email option instead. Make sure to add an existing secondary email now, because it's the primary way Google verifies you without a phone. Once done with the initial form, Google may present several verification paths. Choose Use My Recovery Email or Verify Later whenever available. You'll complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're human, then receive a verification link at that recovery email, open it, and confirm promptly. Also fill in birth date and location accurately because consistent data lowers the chance Google requests phone verification later. If a temporary phone prompt appears, patiently refresh or try a different device. Sometimes the flow. To finish, confirm the account via the recovery email link, then immediately add a non-phone second factor such as an authenticator app or security key to secure access. Sign out and back in to test the flow. If you hit a verification loop, clear cookies and try an incognito window or a different device because Google's risk signals can be device-specific. If still blocked, wait 24 to 48 hours and retry. Temporary restrictions often lift. Contact Google support only after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.